everybody, this is Teacher Razi, and today we'll be doing compensation. Now this is a video request from one of you parents, and it won't be so much for the kids. It's a tutorial for you on how to explain compensation. Let's get started. Compensation can also be called adjusting. This is one of 3 calculation strategies that are prescribed in our CAPS curriculum. The calculation strategies are jumping, skipping, and compensation. Compensation or adjusting is very closely linked with 10 number bonds. If your little one hasn't mastered 10 number bonds, they might find compensation or adjusting a little difficult to get through. By 10 we mean the multiples of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or even beyond, depending on the grade. Adjusting also deals with the relationship between plus and minus, which you'll see as we progress. Let's start by explaining what exactly is compensation. Compensation is a calculation strategy that is used to adjust one of 2 numbers when you're either plussing or minusing. Let's do it practically. Say we have 18 plus 10. Now, when we're doing compensation, we're not so much worried about the answer, but the thinking behind finding the answer. So as we have 18 plus 10, I want to adjust one of the 2 numbers to the nearest 10, or to a nearest 10. So I can adjust 18 to make it 20. So that means I'll plus 2 to 18. So the sum now would be 20 plus 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. But now remember that we compensated or adjusted the number 18 to make it 20. We added 2. Now, if we added a number in the beginning, we have to minus the same number in the end. So that means that would be 30 minus 2. So it makes it easier because when I've gotten to 30 and I'm minusing 2, I'm only counting backwards 2 times. So the answer would be 28. The golden rule with compensation is that we only adjust one number of 2 numbers. Let's do another example where neither of the numbers are a perfect 10. Let's say 54 plus 55. Now, looking at these 2 numbers, which number would you adjust? In this case, I would adjust 54 and make it 50 plus 55. So that means I took away 4 from 50. What would the answer be if I had 50 plus 55? That would give me 105. But remember that I took away 4 from the 54. That means I have to pay it back in the answer. So 105 plus 4 is 109. Let's do another example. Let's look at another sum. 29 plus 35. Looking at these 2 sums, Mom or Dad, which one would you adjust? I would adjust 29 to make it 30. So 30 plus 35 equals to 65. But remember, I borrowed or I took 1 from the number system to make 29 to 30. So the answer would be 65 minus 1, which ultimately would be 64. So 29 plus 35 is 64. Let's look at compensation in a minus number sentence. Say we have 37 minus 25. Which number would you adjust? I would adjust 37 to make it 40. And I know that 40 minus 25 is 15. But remembering that I borrowed a 3 from the number system means that I have to pay back the 3. So 15 minus 3 equals to 12. Now this might seem a little tedious in the beginning, but as your little one progresses in this calculation strategy, it should make them sharper. Typically, they start using compensation from grade 2. If you've got any questions, please do comment on the video. And if you've got any questions, please do DM me on Instagram. Till next time, thank you for watching.